today we are going to try this patra from mother's recipe, and it is vegetarian and ingredients are written here. Let us see how it goes. I am trying to open up the can because recently we have shifted in a new home, so I am not able to find out my tin cutter, so I am trying to open it manually. And it is quite weird that nowadays just this tin can lifters are always there with a small slit so that you can open it up a very friendly way. I don't know still why they are following this packaging, but anyways, let me open it and I'll let you know that how it goes. Okay, I have opened it, but it is not coming out still, and I need to press on the corner. And packing is good. I had a little taste. It is very good in taste. The only thing is that it is not coming out. So let us see how it goes. I will try my best to take it out in a full roll. So you can make 6 thick slices or 8 thin slices in that. Although the content cylinder was very tough to take it out, but still somehow I managed, and actually had a very severe injury with the tin few years back. So I was quite scared, so I took it with a very utmost care. So this is how it looks after coming out of the tin. So we have started frying these patras. So total 6 slices I made out of them, and now I am frying them in desi ghee. The smell is coming very nice. I have tasted little bit raw, and taste is khatta meeta, sweet and sour, and I hope and not very much salty. I really love the taste, and let us see how it goes after the frying. And the smell is coming out very nice. A must try, I must say. So here is our well fried patra slices with coriander and mint chutney, and we call patode in North India, and in Maharashtra side they call it patra, and we call it arbi ke patton ke patode. And actually, if you have, what I feel that if you have only 2 persons or 3 persons in the family and you believe in limited eating, then limited portions, then you can go for it. At least you will get a good 6 slices or 8 slices, and you can try. But for limited family, taking all efforts to buy the patras and making all these patodas, it's a very lengthy work. So you can opt it for, and my all best wishes to mother's recipe. Brand is very good, and this is actually very good taste. I've just tried once, and it is actually very good taste and very tasty, and you should try it. Give it a one try at least, and you would love it. Like if you are alone, if you are a bachelor, just a couple, or couple with a one child or 2 child, you can try it. So for a limited portion, this is a very good thing for try, and very tasty. And it is made with very authentic spices, and it is not very spicy, not very salty, and very good taste. I would like to recommend it very high way, and very nice. Its net weight is 350 grams, and kosher leaves stuffed with a batter of chickpeas and flavored with aromatic spices and jaggery. See, this is what I was telling you, that the flavor is khatta meeta. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll be coming up with more reviews in the coming days. Thank you.